Booty Booster, by KURV. Shape and tone your glutes. Butt lifting exercise system. Including accessories and plan. Review. The Booty Booster. Glute shaping and toning system. The pros. Lightweight and versatile. Maximum results in record time. Works only on muscles you target. The cons. Requires exercising to see results. Benefits are seen after month or so. Little bit pricey for some. How Booty Booster can help you. This is a workout system to help lift your buttocks at the comfort of your home in the record time. The Booty Booster is an effective and efficient exercise tool to help you shape and tone your glutes, enhance your curves, transform your body, and build nice-looking buttocks. This innovative, booty lifting workout accessories and plan is a unique fitness kit that accommodates all heights, short to tall, and different levels of experience, beginner to advanced, that is proven to round, lift and firm your fanny. Are you looking for workout kit to help shape and tone your glutes? Booty Booster Workout System to shape and tone your glutes, by KURV, is a popular product. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. What is the Booty Booster? A patent-protected tushy toner that helps round, lift and enhance your glute muscles, transform your body, tighten your buns, sculpt your curves, and reduce cellulite, to see maximum results in record time. Lightweight and comfortable. The Booty Booster is a unique and one-of-a-kind fitness kit, made of high-quality materials, making this buttocks-building fitness trainer compact and lightweight. This booty exercise kit only weighs 1 pound. Various levels of fitness. Designed for men and women. Fits all, beginner, intermediate, advanced. The kit offers 3 mini interchangeable resistance bands and 3 separate arm loops to quickly adjust or modify your tushy toner tension. No bulky quads. The Booty Booster will help firm your fanny and lean your legs, isolate your buttocks. User-friendly guidance is provided in every kit to help you understand proper technique with visual demonstration. Quality control. You have 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. The Booty Booster passed a rigorous strength and durability test, administered by Bureau Veritas, a world leader in quality and inspection for certification services. Based on 58 customer reviews and overall 4.5-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular workout system to shape and tone your glutes, by KURV. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Bodacious Booty Bound. I love my Booty Booster. It's compact, to use at home or while traveling, it's comfortable, and doesn't pull on muscles you're not targeting, and within seconds, you feel an awesome burn. I took before pics, and can't wait to see after results. Says Marissa Beidler. 5 stars. It works. I highly recommend the Booty Booster, because it works. It is great for those with busy schedules, especially if you don't have a lot of time in the day to exercise at a traditional gym. Soft, comfortable and extra durable. I can't believe how sore I am already. I can already feel my glutes getting firmer. I look forward to showing off my new sculpted, perky booty at the beach. Says Susan Rollins. 5 stars. Versatile workout product, great for traveling or for the home. I purchased this as a gift for my girlfriend. Since we travel a lot, it's perfect for her to get her workouts in while on the go. She's always doing exercises with furniture, chairs, etc., so this was perfect for her. The resistance bands give the added burn. So, say goodbye to packing weights. The YouTube instructional videos are a nice bonus too. It's also quite versatile, and can do a number of other exercises as well. I use it to do some arm, triceps and shoulder workouts, with the provided straps and resistance bands. Says Sean. 3 stars. Work great. These work great, you get a really nice toning workout in a rather short amount of time. I like that. I feel like they give me a good core workout as well. The only thing I am unhappy about is the price. It's a little too expensive for what you get. Says Monica Snow. 1 star. Poor product, not worth the price. The booster is uncomfortable to use, not much you can do with, even can't work out both legs at the same time. It has a very bad chemical smell. Says Laura. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.